Hey everyone, this is Spec Info and today we're gonna discuss on the Certified Secure Computer User version 2 certification by NEC Council. Okay, so first we're gonna discuss what is the CSU and for whom the CSU certification is required, who can do the CSU certification and why you should do the CSU certification. And at last we're going to discuss the syllabus for CSU version 2 certification. Okay, so at site you can see that the syllabus is not yet updated. I have printed from here only, so there are only 7 modules and recently I have given the CSU version 2 examination. So let me show you the certification, and you can see here it is for Certified Secure Computer User version 2. Okay, so I'm also going to show you the version 2 syllabus. The modules are has the module has been increasing. Okay, so now it has 10 module, before it was 7. Okay, so let's start. So what is the CSU certification? So in CSU certification, you're gonna learn some trending hack happening in the world, in the cyber world. You can see here the example like identity theft, credit card fraud, online banking phishing scam, virus and backdoors, email hoax, sex of offenders, filtering online, loss of confidential information, hacking attack and social engineering. Okay, and more importantly, you're going to learn the skill how to protect your computer, your infrastructure, your network and all. If you are in student, or you are in working professional and you daily work with an computer and laptops, mobile phone, nowadays everyone are at online mode, so everyone use the computer. Okay, so nowadays you can easily you can your computer can got hacked and your information can be stolen, or you can be harassed, anything can be happen in the cyber world. So this certification is for basic knowledge about what is happening in the cyber world and how you can protect yourself in this internet world. Okay, so I am now we will talk now why should you do this certification. So as I said, if you're a student or working professional and working with computer daily, then you should definitely go with this course. And also the new learners of cybersecurity who are the beginner in cybersecurity, who don't know anything about the cybersecurity, can definitely choose this course. They will get a rough idea about the cybersecurity. I mean, whole idea about the cyber security, that what the cyber security and what it deals with. Okay, now this is all about the CSCU. Now I will show you the syllabus. Okay, so this is the official curriculum. You can see I have got, this is my personal copy provided by an EC Council. You can see this is personal copy of my. Okay, so this is the table of content. Let me show you that how many module is there. There are total 10 module, as you can see here. Okay, so the first one is introduction to data security. So whatever data, whenever you are working with your smartphones, computer or any smart devices, the data are generating, either you are knowing or unknowingly the data is generating. So how to protect your data and how to secure your data, that no one can see what you are doing with your data, with your smart devices. So this is all about that. So in this model you can see all about that. The second one is securing OS. So mainly we are using the Windows 10 and Mac OS. Mainly in also the commercial world we use Windows 10 or Mac OS. Okay. So you will learn how to protect your operating system. That means in short how to protect your PC, so that no one can. I mean it should have a strong security over your OS. Okay, so this two basic OS you're gonna learn in this module, that is Windows 10 and Mac OS. Okay, and the third one is malware and antivirus. Okay, so why in the hacking world, There are many viruses, trojan, rootkits, etc, etc. There are various kinds of malware. Okay, malware consists of, I mean, viruses and all comes in the malware. Okay, so you're gonna learn about different kinds of malwares and what that malware can cause to you and your system, and then you how to protect yourself from that malwares. So you can learn also antiviruses. Okay, what is antiviruses, how to choose your best antiviruses, how to configure your antiviruses, and lots more. The fourth one is internet security. Okay, so everyone, we are on the internet, we are now communicating with the internet. I am on YouTube, you are online, and you are watching my video. So we are on internet and anyone can see what videos you are watching right now, right? So the ads come like become an cybersecurity, I mean become an hacker and get this certification, this, and you will get the ad. How they know that you are watching this video? So this is all about internet security and how to protect yourself, how to prevent yourself from malicious ads or anything happen on the internet. So prevent yourself. So the fifth module is security on social networking sites. Now everyone, even our kids, are on social networking sites by using the fake identity, I mean age proof. Our kids are also on the social media sites. So how to protect your profile on the social networking sites, and what are the causes if your got hacked on the social networking site, if your profile has been stolen, if your password has been stolen from by anyone, or how to protect your kids social networking uh, accounts, and all you're gonna learn in this module. The sixth one is securing email communication. Now, as I told before, that if you're a student or working professional in IT or working with computers daily, then you definitely gonna use the email services, right? So how to protect your email services? What are the different layers for email security, and what are the tools to protect your email, and to don't get this spam mail, and all different kinds of email security you're gonna learn in this. Okay, the third one is securing mobile device. Everyone uses mobile device. Someone doesn't have the laptop or PC, but everyone has the mobile devices nowadays. Okay, so how to secure your mobile devices? Mobile devices are the most vulnerable smart devices nowadays to hack. So all you're gonna learn in this module, you can see the content on the context in this module. The eighth one is securing the cloud. We are oftenly using nowadays cloud, knowingly or unknowingly, like our Google Photos or Google Drive. That is one of the cloud. And when you're gonna work in some company or industry, you definitely gonna use the cloud. So this is all about the cloud and different types of the properties of cloud, security of cloud, and different kinds of cloud you're gonna learn in this module, and how to secure that cloud. The ninth one is securing network connection. Nowadays we want the connection to go for to visit the social networking site, or anything we wanted to do with our mobile phone or PC laptop. We need a network connection, right? Otherwise we can't access the internet. So how to securely connect with the networks, how to whether we want to use the public Wi-Fi or not, and etc etc, we're gonna learn in this module. And the last one is data backup and disaster recovery. Okay, so this is for professional ones. I mean also for student also. So data backup is very important in our life. If the data is not stolen but it is lost by us only, or if we don't know where the data has been stored and we want to back up that data, and if something happened to our system, like some unwanted crashes, or our mobile phone has been stolen, or we lost our mobile phone, then what about the data in the mobile phone? Nowadays we are not care where I mean we don't care about the mobile phone or the laptop. lost, but we care about the data which we are carrying in that devices, right? The photos, our loved ones photos, and many mobile contacts, and many thing in our mobile phone or smart devices. We have important data which we need, right? So that all we gonna learn in this module. So you can see it is very interesting and very informative uh, context given in the certified secure computer user. This is for version 2, and you can definitely go with this, and you don't have to worry. This certification have no expiry date. This is for lifetime. Okay, generally the EC Council certification has an expiry date, but this one is not having, because uh, so this is all about the CSCU. Okay, if you wanted to know more about the CSCU certification, and if you want some tutorial on specific module or something you don't understand about this context or anything about the CSU, you can definitely comment me below. I will definitely try to answer your questions, or I will definitely make some videos which will definitely help you at that stage. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you find my content useful, then subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and don't forget to press on the notification icon. Thank you so much.